feeling the feeling that one day I'ma have it made. Cause room to my emotions, so there's nothing I'm afraid of. I fear nothing, that's a statement and a half. Cause I come from having nothing and I'm running from the past. So I ask for nothing cause I get none of what I ask for. I reverse psychology on life so that I have more than nothing. No, at least I receive what I'm asking. So my passion to have some of that, of what I'm lacking, to keep me packing. That motivation's keeping me breathing, keep me believing that with every breath I take I keep succeeding. It's the reason I keep breathing, bringing no less than best. Just trust that out of fear comes nothing unless you press through it. I'ma do it better than my yesterday, be greater every minute, every second better. Cause today's the present, and everyone I get I cheer yes. Since I have more than nothing, I guess now I feel less.